Are you tired of battling stubborn acne or noticing wrinkles becoming more pronounced each day? What if I told you there's a natural, affordable secret hiding in your pantry that could transform your skin health? Meet castor oil, a time-tested remedy that has been cherished for centuries for its incredible skincare benefits. From ancient Egypt to modern holistic practices, this humble oil has earned its place as a go-to solution for healthier, more youthful-looking skin. For those of us over 50, maintaining vibrant, glowing skin can feel like an uphill battle. Aging brings hormonal changes that can lead to persistent acne, while the natural decline in collagen and elastin production leaves our skin more prone to wrinkles. Combined with environmental factors like sun exposure and pollution, our skin often feels like it's fighting a losing war. But here's the good news. Castor oil offers a powerful, natural solution. This video will take you on a journey to uncover the science behind why acne and wrinkles occur and why castor oil is uniquely suited to combat these issues. You'll discover how this oil works its magic and learn simple, actionable tips to incorporate it into your daily routine for healthier, more youthful skin. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the science behind castor oil's remarkable properties, but also feel empowered to use it effectively. So, get ready to say goodbye to stubborn acne and wrinkles and hello to radiant, rejuvenated skin. But first, let's know what's science behind acne and wrinkles. Even after the age of 50, many people find themselves grappling with acne, often due to ongoing hormonal fluctuations. Hormones such as androgens can continue to affect oil production in the skin, leading to excess sebum that clogs pores. This creates a perfect breeding ground for bacteria, resulting in inflammation and breakouts. Additionally, stress, an unbalanced diet, and inadequate skincare can worsen these issues. Diets high in refined sugars or unhealthy fats, for instance, can trigger inflammatory responses in the body, directly impacting skin health. Furthermore, not using gentle, age-appropriate skincare products can strip the skin of essential oils, leaving it more prone to irritation and clogged pores. Why do wrinkles appear? Wrinkles, on the other hand, are a natural part of aging, but can become more pronounced due to various internal and external factors. As we age, the body produces less collagen and elastin, two critical proteins that maintain the skin's firmness and elasticity. This decline starts as early as the mid-20s, but becomes more evident after 50. Environmental factors like prolonged sun exposure and free radicals further accelerate skin aging. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells, breaking down collagen and elastin and leading to fine lines and wrinkles. Lifestyle choices also play a significant role. Smoking reduces blood flow to the skin, depriving it of essential nutrients and oxygen, while pollution exposes the skin to harmful particles that cause oxidative stress. Combined, these factors make wrinkles more prominent over time. The good news is that nature offers solutions, and castor oil stands out among them. Scientific studies have shown that natural oils, including castor oil, are rich in compounds like ricinoleic acid, which possesses both antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This means castor oil can address the root causes of acne by reducing bacterial growth and calming inflamed skin. Simultaneously, its powerful antioxidants help combat free radicals, protecting the skin from further damage and promoting the repair of collagen and elastin. By tackling both acne and wrinkles at their core, castor oil provides a dual-action benefit for mature skin, offering not just relief but also visible rejuvenation. In the next section, we'll explore why castor oil is uniquely suited for this purpose and how it delivers these remarkable results. What makes castor oil unique? Castor oil has earned its reputation as a potent natural skincare elixir due to its impressive composition. One of the key components of castor oil is ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that makes up about 90% of the oil's content. This unique compound gives castor oil its powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties allow castor oil to combat bacteria, reduce inflammation, and soothe irritated skin. Additionally, castor oil is an exceptional moisturizer, capable of penetrating deep into the skin layers to hydrate and restore from within. Unlike many heavy oils, castor oil doesn't just sit on the surface. It works to nourish and repair the skin, making it a perfect solution for mature, dry skin. How castor oil works against acne. One of the most remarkable benefits of castor oil for aging skin is its ability to tackle acne, even in individuals over 50. The high ricinoleic acid content is a major player in this process, as it has been shown to help combat acne-causing bacteria. By targeting and eliminating the bacteria that contribute to acne, castor oil prevents future breakouts and reduces the severity of existing ones. Moreover, castor oil helps balance sebum production, which is often a problem in older adults. Excessive oil production can clog pores, leading to acne, but castor oil helps to normalize oil levels, keeping the skin clear without causing dryness. For those who experience acne-related redness and irritation, castor oil provides much-needed relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe inflamed skin, reducing the discomfort and redness associated with breakouts. By calming the skin and fighting bacterial growth, castor oil works to restore the skin's natural balance, resulting in smoother, clearer skin over time. How castor oil reduces wrinkles. While castor oil works wonders for acne, it's also incredibly effective in reducing the appearance of wrinkles, making it a must-have in an anti-aging skincare routine. The secret lies in its ability to boost collagen and elastin production. Collagen and elastin are vital proteins that help the skin maintain its structure, firmness, and elasticity. As we age, the production of these proteins naturally declines, contributing to sagging skin and wrinkles. Castor oil stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, helping to firm and plump the skin, resulting in a smoother, more youthful appearance. Furthermore, castor oil is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E, which protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Free radicals accelerate the aging process by damaging skin cells, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, castor oil helps slow down skin aging, giving your skin a revitalized and rejuvenated look. Scientific evidence. Studies have shown that castor oil is highly effective in reducing skin inflammation and improving hydration, both of which are crucial for healthy, youthful skin. In fact, research has demonstrated that castor oil can improve the skin's moisture content, helping to keep it hydrated and supple. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects are particularly beneficial for acne-prone skin, while its ability to stimulate collagen production makes it a valuable ally in the fight against wrinkles. Compared to synthetic skincare products, which may contain harsh chemicals or irritants, castor oil provides a gentle yet effective alternative. Its natural composition means it's less likely to cause allergic reactions or skin sensitivity, making it suitable for even sensitive, mature skin. By integrating castor oil into your skincare routine, you're opting for a natural, scientifically supported solution that works to rejuvenate and nourish your skin. Now that you understand why castor oil is such a powerful tool for both acne and wrinkles, let's move on to practical tips and how you can incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for optimal results. Using castor oil for acne and wrinkles. preparation, and precautions. When incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, it's essential to use a high-quality, cold-pressed, organic version. Cold-pressed castor oil retains the full range of beneficial compounds, including ricinoleic acid and antioxidants, which are crucial for optimal skin health. Avoid refined or overly processed castor oil, as it may have fewer active ingredients that benefit the skin. Before you start using castor oil on your face, always perform a patch test. This simple step helps determine if you have any allergic reactions or sensitivity to the oil. Apply a small amount of castor oil to the inside of your wrist or behind your ear and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. If there's no redness, swelling, or itching, it's safe to use on your skin. Daily routine for acne-free skin. If you're dealing with acne, a consistent daily routine can help reduce breakouts over time. Here's how to use castor oil to target acne effectively. 1. Cleanse your face. Start by using a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser that won't clog pores. Choose one that is free from harsh chemicals, fragrances, or sulfates. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, creating a clean base for the castor oil. 2. Apply castor oil. After cleansing, take a small amount of castor oil, about 2 to 3 drops, and apply it directly onto the acne-affected areas using clean fingertips. Be gentle. There's no need to rub harshly. You can also use a cotton swab for more precision. 3. Leave it on. For the best results, leave the castor oil on overnight. If that's not possible, let it sit for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This allows the oil to deeply penetrate the skin, fighting bacteria, reducing inflammation, and balancing sebum production. Repeat this routine every night, and you'll notice your acne gradually improving as castor oil works to clear pores and soothe the skin. Weekly routine for anti-aging. To combat wrinkles and promote skin elasticity, castor oil can be integrated into a weekly anti-aging routine. This allows the oil to deeply nourish the skin, stimulate collagen production, and provide antioxidants to fight free radical damage. 1. Mix with carrier oils. While castor oil is highly effective, it's thick and can be difficult to spread on the skin. To make it easier to apply, mix castor oil with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or almond oil. These oils are also beneficial for the skin and will dilute the castor oil for smoother application. Aim for a ratio of 2.1, 2 parts castor oil to 1 part carrier oil. 2. Massage the mixture. Gently massage the oil mixture onto your face and neck in upward motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. The upward motion helps improve blood circulation and also fights the downward pull of gravity, which contributes to sagging skin over time. 3. Steam for better absorption. After massaging, use a warm, damp cloth to gently steam your face. Hold the cloth over your face for about 2 to 3 minutes to open the pores. This helps the castor oil penetrate deeper into the skin, allowing it to deliver its moisturizing and anti-aging benefits more effectively. 4. Finish with moisturizer. After the steaming, wipe off excess oil using a clean cloth, then follow up with a hydrating moisturizer. This helps lock in moisture and ensures that your skin stays hydrated throughout the day, further enhancing the anti-aging effects of the castor oil. Additional tips for best results. For optimal skin health, combine your castor oil routine with a healthy lifestyle. Proper hydration, a nutritious diet, and sun protection play a significant role in how your skin ages and heals. 1. Drink plenty of water. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. Make sure you're drinking enough water each day to keep your skin moisturized from the inside out. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. 2. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Include foods rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts in your diet. These help fight oxidative stress, which can cause premature aging and skin damage. 3. Use sunscreen daily. The sun's harmful UV rays are one of the leading causes of wrinkles and skin damage. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even if you're indoors. 4. Facial exercises. Consider integrating facial exercises into your routine. These exercises help tone and tighten the muscles beneath the skin, improving elasticity and reducing sagging over time. In conclusion, castor oil proves to be a powerful and natural remedy for both acne and wrinkles. Its rich content of ricinoleic acid helps balance sebum production and fight bacteria, making it an excellent treatment for acne-prone skin. At the same time, its ability to stimulate collagen and elastin production, combined with its antioxidant properties, makes it a valuable tool for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting firmer, more youthful skin. The key to success with castor oil is consistency. Give your skin time to heal and regenerate. Natural remedies like castor oil often take 3 to 4 weeks to show visible results. So, be patient and stick with your daily and weekly routines. Now, it's your turn. Try incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine for at least 30 days and see the transformation for yourself. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey with castor oil. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tips for natural skincare and overall wellness.